What do you think about this guy?
Hello guys! So I was thinking, what should be the topic of the next video? And I found just the perfect occasion for it. It's the hackathon I'm participating. So it's some sort of hackathon powered by Russian bank. It's about mostly web development, and I hope it's gonna be fun. So right now I'm at EPITECH and I just had a Zoom meeting with... So as I was telling, we're at EPITECH and I just had my Zoom meeting about the task of the hackathon. So we're supposed to optimize the internal bank pipeline of like approving or disapproving like credits, loans for people. And we should integrate like some AI assistants, chatbots there, and probably will be some sort of web application. But yeah, I will have a meeting, a call with my team later, so stick with me. Right. Okie dokie. So I had a conversation with my team for 1.5 hours, and now everybody seems to figure out what they are supposed to do. I'm gonna do the interactions with the large language models. So I've never worked with this before, but it seems like an okay task. We have just the process of approval a person. Our solution for automating this is just throwing a bunch of ChatGPT into the problem, and yeah, looking what sticks. So let's go to the coding editing. It's been an hour, and I finally have the model answering to me. Unfortunately, I spent like kinda a lot of time on it, but well, that's the usual thing when you are dealing with external APIs, I guess. Yeah, and the funny thing, at some point it threw me like error 500, so it's like internal service error. Server error, but I was sending like the example data, so I don't know. It's just funny. Yeah, but in general it's working. Success.
1 hour later.
Fuck. So I spent another hour, I guess, or a little bit more. So yeah, the challenge was to make Russian alternative to ChatGPT behave as I want to, because as it turns out it has some sort of built-in protections and you can't use it as the bank manager, I guess. But now, okay, so this is the credit history of a person, right? Right now it's just hard-coded, but it will be sent from other microservice. And I generated the prompt, and it's answering. Hey. Because like previously it was answering, sorry, I can't answer this sort of questions. Okay, So, final results for today. I dockerized my application and I deployed it on my server. Postman, it's some URL which you don't see. I have a prompt. Are you better than ChatGPT? Right, let's hit send. Sending requests. And yeah, it's working. Nice. But for now, yeah, I think I did everything I needed to do. I'm gonna get some sleep now. It's the next day. I can't say I had the best sleep in my life, but it's fine. The plan for today is to integrate everything I've built with what other guys are building, and my task for now will be to clean up the code, because what I wrote yesterday is extremely messy. And also, just by the way, today is like, I guess, the coldest day in Paris we've had, like at least for me. I am here since September. It was like 0 degrees in the night, and the problem is that like not it's cold outside, but it's cold inside. So you see, I'm in sweater.
6 hours later.
So it's 2 p.m. of Hackathon day 2, and today I'm doing the main REST API service. For me, the point where I was a bit uncertain was communicating with other microservices via protobufs, because I've never done it before. But I managed to make it run via Docker. On the right I have a client, and on the left I have a server, and they have communicated a bit. That's a success.
Мы сделаем хакатон, блять. Время сколько? Час 45.
11 часов до сдачи.
11 часов до сдачи. Мы вышли на улицу, чтобы посмотреть, как разводятся мосты, но мы проебали момент. Этот мост уже разлит, но мы увидели, как разводится литейный, да. Чтобы компенсировать, блять, наше неудовольствие, мы взяли глыбу, ну Ваня взял ее, дотащил, и сейчас мы ее плюхнем, блядь. Все, я готов снимать. Охуительно.
Поплыла.
Поплыла?
Поплыла.
Ебать! О, плыви! Плыви, льдинка.
You said, yeah. So it's like 3:20 in the morning, and the deadline for Hackathon is like 7 hours away. We built, I guess, all 3 microservices out of 4, and the latest microservice, it was working, but it was broken because of Java. And we have frontend in progress, and everybody is so fucking tired. Previous night I had sleep, but this day I don't know. I can't say I was just programming non-stop, but I was doing kinda a lot of stuff. Right now brain is just melting, you know. If we will assemble everything and add a few new features, then probably it would be a nice result in the end. Hopefully. And at this point everything was starting to break. The protobuf library which we were using was just not present for M1 Max, so I had to switch to my Linux laptop, and I didn't have IntelliJ installed on it. Well, I installed IntelliJ, I solved the conflict with Java versions, but it was still not working because of some very strange Maven errors. And keep in mind, I was programming for 12 hours, so I was also a bit tired. The project submission time was very close, but we didn't have any working prototype. And I had plans not for the prototype, but I wanted to deploy our website to an actual server. And just a quick reminder, our website consists 4 microservices plus the proxy plus the front end. So it was going to be a very fun and fascinating night of deploy for me.
Ну что, друзья, третье место на хакатоне Hack and Change 2023 года занимает команда Wizards. Команда Wizards. Хлопаем. Двигаемся дальше. Второе место у нас занимает команда Кронверские кисики. Кисики, аплодисменты для вас.
Okay, so the title was a clickbait. We haven't won the hackathon, we took second place. But I think it still counts, because first, one of the judges told us that we had the most complete prototype. And overall, we were very close. The only problem was in our pitch, because we were focusing on what we've done already, and we should have added a little bit more about our future plans. But it's still fine. Despite me having only 5 hours of sleep during the weekend, I had a great time, and I hope you had also a great time watching this video. So like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!